Hello. I'm going to go through instructions on the circuit construction assignment that we got posted on Canvas here. So as you can see on the screen, there are 6 circuits that I want you to take a look at. You're going to build 3 of those circuits, and you're going to do some measurements and calculations on those circuits. Normally, we would do this in class, and you would use the circuit kits and actually do measurements with the real multimeters, but you're at home. So this is the next best thing. Now you're only going to have to do 3 of these because it will be kind of time consuming to get set up, but I've got a link to the circuit construction kit, the FET simulation you see here. I've also got a link to a template to a Google Doc that you will fill in with 3 sets of analyses, and we'll kind of walk through what that's supposed to look like. And you're going to have to submit this as a shareable link or as a file download from Google Docs. So let's get started. I'm not going to do a circuit that's actually in your assignment because I don't want to give you the solutions, but here I've created one where I've got 3 resistors. I'm going to go and add in a 4th resistor here. And all of the resistors in this assignment are going to be either 5 or 10 ohm resistors. And it makes it kind of convenient because by default, the resistors in the circuit construction kit are 10 ohms. So if you need to switch it to a 5 ohm, you just click on that particular resistor and adjust the value. I'm going to leave this one as a 10 ohm just for the heck of it. But here I've got my first resistor is 5 ohms, second resistor is 5 ohms, then 10 ohms, and then 10 ohms. And I want to go ahead and connect it, see the charge flow, put it on conventional charge flow. And I can see there's charge flow, but I want to measure the voltages for the resistors and then enter them into these tables. So for my first resistor, it's a 5 ohm, I'd put 5 there. The voltage I need to measure, and then I'm going to calculate the current. So I'm going to pull the voltmeter off to the side here. Remember, red lead goes closer to the positive side of the battery. And I'm getting 6 volts for that resistor. Now, just remembering right now, we go and open that up. Your circuits are either 4.5 or 3 volts. So you need to adjust the voltages here. Mine, I left it as 9 volts. So for my circuit, it's going to be a little bit different. You need to adjust the battery voltage as well. So I'm getting 6 volts on a 5 ohm resistor. So I would type in the 6 volts here, and then I need to calculate current as voltage divided by resistance. And I'll go ahead and type in 6 divided by 5, and I of course could just do mental math there, but I'll go ahead and pull up my calculator here and do 6 divided by 5. Oops, got to power it on. There we go. And I get 1.2. And I would repeat that for all 4 resistors. Let's go to the second resistor here. Getting 3 volts on a 5 ohm resistor. And so I'd say I equals 3 over 5, which I'm pretty sure is going to be 0.6, but let's go ahead and calculate it up real quick. And I get 0.6. Now, I want you to do that, and I'll put here made up. That's the circuit. You want to put A, B, C, D, E, or F. But then I want you to put a screenshot of your circuit. I want to see how well you did. So that's where I've got instructions here that say if you're using your Chromebook to Control, Shift, and then the Windows Select button, it'll say a screenshot. If you're doing it on a Windows computer, you can just hit the Print Screen button, which I just did there. And then you can just hit Control V to paste it. And I've got a screenshot of my circuit. So I can see how you built it, I can see your numbers, and then once you're done, you click Share, get shareable link, click that button up there, submit it on Canvas.